Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will see how to create a test or a quiz on the Blackboard environment. To do so, please click on the web browser and open the Blackboard. Then log into your Blackboard environment. Once you have logged into your Blackboard environment, you will find your course under My Courses. So I have these courses. Click on the course in which you would like to create a quiz. So for example, I have IT 210. I will click on this course, and in this course I would like to create a quiz. Then under the contents folder, click on the contents link over here. Then you can to build a content, first you need to click on build content. Then click on the content folder. Once you click on the content folder, give name to your folder. For example, it is online quizzes. So my name is online quizzes, the name of the folder. So let's go down, scroll down, click on track number of views, yes. Then click on submit button. Your folder with the name online quizzes will be created at the bottom. Click on this online quizzes. And in this now we will start to create our first quiz. So click on assessments, then click on test. Now every quiz or a test has a name. So first we will create a new quiz. So create, click on create, give name to your quiz or the test. For example, now my quiz name is MCQ VB.NET test 1. Copy the same, and in the description, if you would like to give description to the students regarding this quiz, you can type your description over here. For me, the description will be the same as my quiz name. The instructions. So if you want to give students an instruction regarding this test or the quiz, just type in your instructions over here. So let's say complete this test on time. So this is the instruction. Then click on submit. So now your quiz is created, your test is created. This is the name of your test, MCQ VB.NET test 1. Now in the test canvas environment, you can build your questions. So click on create questions. Then what is the type of question you want to build? For example, I am building a multiple choice question. So click on multiple choice. Then question title is the question number. For example, Q1 is my question number. Now here you need to type the question text. So for example, I have already created certain questions. I will just copy this from my document over here. This is my first question. Go back to your Blackboard and paste your question. Now, because it is a multiple choice question, I have options, answers, okay? So under my answers tab, I have options for correct answers, okay? So I have option number 1, which is answer 1, okay? So my option number 1 is this. Copy paste it, okay? Then if this one is the correct answer, click on the round button next to the answer, okay? So for example, if answer number 2 was the correct answer, then I would have clicked on this circle besides the answer, okay? So answer number 1 is the correct answer for my case right now. I will fill the remaining options. Just copy these options and paste them, okay? Let's go back to the next option. Copy, paste. Let's go back to the next option, scroll down, copy and paste, okay? So now I have given 4 options for this particular question, and the correct answer is answer number 1, and I have marked it also. If I want to create another question with the same question type, then I can click on, scroll down, click on submit and create another. So it will create another question of the type multiple choice. So because my next question is of the type multiple choice, I will click on submit and create another. Over here, I will put the question title as Q2, question number 2, and the question text will be my second question. So let me go to the second question, copy it quickly and paste it in the box. Then I'll go and put my 4 options that are for this question. So this is my first option. And let me go to the second option, copy it, go to the third option and copy it. And then go to the fourth option, paste it, and then go to the fourth option, scroll down, go to the fourth option, copy it, and then let's paste it. So now I have 4 options. The correct answer for my question is answer number 1, right? So I'll go back to my question, go back to the answers. Answer number 1 is my correct option. I will tick on this circle besides it. Now, the next question is not a multiple choice question. So I'll go scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I'll go down and then click on submit button because the next question is not of the same type, right? Now, right now I have 2 questions and total points are 20. Let me create another question. Click on create question and the next question is of type true and false. So click on true and false, type question. This is question number 3 and the text or the question is this. Copy the question and paste it. Now go down, scroll down, scroll down. So answers. Because it's a true and false question, it has 2 options, whether it is true or false. So my answer for this question is true. Let me go back to the environment, Blackboard, and click on true. This is the answer for this particular question. Once you have created all your questions, you can click on submit button and you will find all your questions over here in this window under Canvas. Now, there are totally 3 questions and the total points are 30. So I can go ahead and change my points per question. So let's say this points for this question is 1, submit. Points for the second question is 2 or 5, submit. And the point for the third question is 10. Once you have created all your questions, click on this OK button over here, okay? Click on this OK button. You will be directed to a new screen, which is create test, right? In this create test, you will find the test which you have created. So the test name is MCQ VB.NET test. Select your test and click on submit button. It will open test options interface. In this interface, you are going to publish your test to the students. Okay, this is very important. So you will find the name of your test which you had created. Then you go down, scroll down, scroll down, make it available to the student. So this availability will make it available to the student. So click on yes, make it available to the student. Add an announcement for this test. So if you want to add an announcement on the home page of this course, then click on yes. Okay, add an announcement. Now the next important thing is set a timer. For this test, set a timer for your test. If you want to auto submit after 10 minutes, then click on After 10 minutes, when the student starts the test, after 10 minutes, it will be auto submitted. If he does not complete the quiz on time, within 10 minutes, it will be auto submitted. If no, you can keep it off. Then go down, display after. This test will start tomorrow and will start at 1 p.m. And this test will end tomorrow again. So you can put your start time, your start date and time, and your start date and time for this test, okay? And will end at 1:30, let's say 1:30 p.m. Okay, and the test is for 10 minutes. Now you can scroll down. Now this is the availability, most important part. If you don't do this, the test will not be available to the students, okay? So click on add users. When you click on add users or group, you'll find all the students under this users. Okay, so select all your students and click on submit button. Now all your students are added for this test. All of them will have single attempt, and you have not enabled auto submit. Okay, and the time for this test is 10 minutes. Okay, so you can scroll down after this. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Now, when after submission of this test, the students will view the score per question. So the students will get result immediately after they submit their quiz, and the result will be per question, how much they have scored for every question, each and every question. Okay, so this is visible. Make it visible if it's not visible. Now, test presentation. Now, do you want all the questions to appear at once, or you want one question to appear at once? So for me, I will keep it all question at once. And the last option is randomize. So if two students are sitting close to each other, they will not get the same question. They will get different questions to answer. Okay. Then you can click on submit button, and it says a warning that this will be visible to the student. Click on OK, and now your test is visible and published to the student. So it says that it will start tomorrow at 1 p.m. Right? The test will be available to the student tomorrow at 1 p.m. Okay. Now this particular icon is grayed out, is not highlighted, right? So if you have a test running, this will become highlighted, the cross and the check mark. I will show you some quizzes which are currently running. So let me go to my quiz folder, and you see all of these are grayed out, and one of them is highlighted, right? So it's dark, the cross and the checkbox. That means this quiz is visible now to the students. Okay, rest all, it will show you when the quiz will start and what time it will start. Okay, this is how you create quizzes in Blackboard. And also one more important thing is, your announcement is now added to your home page under my announcement. The student can see this announcement and can complete the quiz. Thank you.